Do you need a professional email address for your business that matches your website domain name? Which of these email addresses would you prefer to put on a business card or flyer to promote your business? johnsmith061980 @gmail.com or johnsmith@myfirmname.com? If you were considering doing business with someone you don't know, which of these addresses would carry more authority with you? In this video, I'll show you how to create a business email address in your Bluehost hosting account that matches your website's domain name. Gmail accounts are great for personal use, but if you want to be taken seriously by prospective clients or customers, you need a professional-looking email address that matches your business website domain name. Let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost hosting account. Under Advanced, click on cPanel. On the next screen, click on Email Accounts. Then click on Create. Next, select the domain you want to use. In your case, it may be the only one available. I will select myfirmname.com. Then create a username. In this example, we will use John Smith. And then this will be johnsmith@myfirmname.com. Next, we'll generate a password. If you click on the down arrow, you can modify the password settings. You can change the length of the password if you want it to be a little bit shorter, like 10. You can determine the types of letters used, such as all caps, all lowercase, or a mixture, and if it will contain numbers, symbols, or both. Click on Generate. Now this is the password. Make sure you've copied this and pasted it somewhere where you can find it. Under optional settings, I recommend setting the storage space to unlimited unless your Bluehost account has a limited storage capacity. Allow Bluehost to automatically create folders. Finally, make sure the box is checked to send a welcome email with instructions to set up a mail client. Click Create and your new email address will be created. There we are. If you haven't already, click the like button to let me know this video has been useful to you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, why not subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are available. Thanks for watching.